You're still lifting me. I was lost inside my shell, fighting battles no one knew. I was broken in the quiet, trying to hold on to the truth. But in the middle of my weakness, your mercy pulled me close.
You spoke life into the ruins
And called me
yours, called me home.
when the night was heavy on me. You were the peace inside my breath. When my past tried to chain me, you said, child, I paid that debt.
You lifted me again, Jesus. You lifted me again. You fought the fights I couldn't win. You lifted me again. You held my heart when it was breaking. You pulled me out of the deep. Oh, Jesus, Jesus. You lifted me
Again. I kept running from the healing, thinking grace was not for me. But you covered me with kindness, made the blind in me believe. And now I'm standing in the open with a heart you made brand new. Every breath inside my lungs now belongs to you, only you.
When the fear tried to drown, you woke me up to breathe again.
When the
lies tried to break,
your truth
became my strength.
my strength.
My strength.
You lifted me again, Jesus. You lifted me again. Oh, you fought the fights I couldn't win.
You lifted me again.
You held my heart when it was breaking. You pulled me out of the deep. Oh, Jesus,
Jesus.
you lifted me again. You turned my mourning into dancing.
You turned my broken into blessing.
You turned my story into glory.
You
Yeah.
lifted me again.
You turned my mourning into dancing.
You turned my broken into blessing.
You turned my story into glory.
You lifted me again.
Into dancing,
Into dancing,
into blessing.
into blessing.
You lifted me. I'm standing in freedom. I'm standing in healing. I'm standing in mercy. 'Cause you lifted me, oh, you lifted me, oh,
You lifted me.
Where would I be without your
You
grace?
lifted me.
Where would I be without your
You
love?
lifted me.
Oh, you carried me through storms. You held my heart when it was torn. You gave me chances I didn't deserve. A love so wide, so deep, so strong. Forever I will praise your name. Jesus, you lifted me again.
You lifted me again. You lifted me again. Jesus.
I've been walking with a broken heart, hiding all the shame in inside. I was blinded by my failures. I couldn't see the truth in life. I kept running from your presence, even when you called my name. But you never let me slip away. Your mercy stayed the same. I should have fallen, I should have died, but your mercy held me through every night. I'm crying for mercy. Jesus, hear my cry. I have sinned, I was lost, I closed my eyes to truth and light. But your mercy kept me breathing, your love kept me alive. Please lead me, Jesus, lead me back to your light. I've been wrestling with my weakness, trying to heal myself alone. But every time I turned away, your grace still followed where I go. You could have let me drown in darkness, but you reached into my pain. You lifted me with gentle hands and washed my guilt away. I don't deserve it, but you still stay. You covered all my brokenness with mercy and with grace. I'm crying for mercy. Jesus, hear my cry. I have sinned, I was lost, I closed my eyes to truth and light. But your mercy kept me breathing, your love kept me alive. Please lead me, Jesus, lead me back to your light. Lead me, Jesus. Oh, I surrender now. Living far from what you designed, but your mercy never left me. Your love kept me alive. Lead me, Jesus, lead me into your light. I'm crying for mercy. Jesus, take my life. I was broken, I was blinded, living far from what you designed. But your mercy never left me, your love kept me alive. Lead me, Jesus, lead me into your light. You heal the broken souls. You make the barren mother smile again. I've seen you do
believe, I still believe. Tears are my language, my only prayer. Felt like an outcast, like nobody cares. Whispers of evil, the sting of their lies. Alone in the silence, under darkened skies. Everyone departed, they turned and they fled. These wounds on my heart, these fears in my head. Oh, I remember the story. I've seen what you can do, so I'm fixing my eyes on what's eternal and true. Yes, I remember. You heal the broken souls. You make the barren mother smile again. You open up the prison for the captives within. And I believe my miracle is coming my way. Yes, I believe my miracle is on the way. I've seen the widower mourning his loss. You met him in sorrow, you carried his cross. You spoke to the shadows, commanded be light, and dawn broke upon his most desperate night. So if you did it for him on that yesterday, I know that you haven't changed. You're still the same God today. Oh, I remember the story. I've seen what you can do, so I'm fixing my eyes on what's eternal and true. I remember, oh, I remember. You heal the broken souls. You make the barren mother smile again. You open up the prison for the captives within. My miracle is coming my way. Yes, I believe my miracle is on the way. Yeah, I hear the sound of abundance rain. I feel the ground. It's shifting in my name. What was written is coming to pass. This heavy chain is breaking at last. My setback is a setup for a comeback story. My miracle is on the way. My miracle is on the way. I see the light breaking through. My God is making all things new. I receive it now. I claim it now. In Jesus' name, it's happening now. Healer, Redeemer, my miracle is here. You heal the broken souls. You make the barren mother smile again. And I believe. Thank you for my miracle. I see it coming. My miracle is on the way.
I've walked through the fire, and the flames almost took me. Felt sickness in my body, like the woman with the issue of blood, reaching again. I've cried in empty rooms where joblessness broke my strength, like Elijah in the desert, saying, Lord, I can't take another step. But you came into my darkness as a still small voice within. You reminded me of your promise. You are God, you are my friend. So I will hope again, 'cause you move the mountains I can't climb. You heal every pain, like you open blind parts of me, yes, eyes. You're the God who stays when the world walks away from me. You lift me from the grave, like you called out Lazarus, come and breathe. Jesus, I will hope again. I felt discrimination, like the Samaritan woman by the well. I've carried shame and rejection, like Peter when he swore he never knew you and he fell. I've prayed for a child, like Hannah with tears on the temple floor. I've waited for breakthrough, like Job asking, Lord, how much more? But you never left my side. Through the valleys of shadow and fear, you've been the shepherd who calls me, saying, my child, I am here. So I will hope again, 'cause you move the mountains I can't climb. You heal every pain, like you open blind parts of me, yes, eyes. You're the God who stays when the world walks away from me. You lift me from the grave, like you called out Lazarus, come and breathe. Jesus, I will hope again. When storms rise, you are my shelter. When my heart breaks, you restore. When the enemy surrounds me, you fight battles I can't fight anymore.
Just like David with the giant, you are faithful. Just like Moses at the Red Sea, you are faithful.
Just like Daniel in the lion's den, you are faithful. Like the three in the fire, you are faithful. Hold my heart, Jesus. Don't let me fall in the trap of the enemy. Guard my mind, guard my soul. Keep me safe in your arms. I will hope again, 'cause your mercy's new every morning light. You restore the broken, you turn the morning into light. You're the God who stays when everyone abandons me. You're the God who saves, and your love will forever lead. Jesus, I will hope again. You're restoring my hope. You're restoring my strength again. When I had no breath left in my chest, you breathe your spirit in me. Just like Ezekiel in the valley, you raise these dry bones again. Oh, you're the God who never fails, the God who never leaves, the God who lifts the broken from the dust. You lift the broken from the dust.
From the dust, from the dust.
You crown me with your mercy.
With your mercy, with your mercy.
You are healing every wound in me.
Every wound, every wound.
You're making my heart new again.
Make it new, make it new.
God of Abraham, God of Isaac, God of Jacob, the same God who parted the seas, the same God who shut the mouths of lions, the same God who walked in the fire. You are here with me. You never change, you never fail, you never leave your children alone. Faithful God, faithful God, faithful God. Even when I lost my way, even when depression spoke louder, Lord, have mercy on me. Wash me clean, make me whole again. Lord, I confess I've fallen so many times, repeating more than I can count. Sound shouldn't move hearts to me. I've drowned in temptation. I've listened to the lies of the enemy. And you still want me.
Mercy on me.
Wash me clean, please.
Make me whole again.
Lord, have mercy. Lord, have mercy, oh.
Have mercy on me.
Wash me clean, make me whole again. Lord, have mercy. Your grace is holding me. Have mercy.
Have mercy. Have me.
Have mercy.
Mercy on me.
Wash me, Jesus, oh.
Wash me, Jesus.
Set my spirit free.
Wash me free and soul.
God, I remember every time you saved me, when I should have died in my sin. You rescued me. When I walked away, you waited. When I broke everything in my life, you rebuilt me. When people left me, you stayed. I remember when depression tried to crush me, but you lifted my head when sickness touched my body, but you gave me strength when I lost my faith. You whispered, my child, I'm still here. So I'm here again, repenting, surrendering, asking you, please forgive me. Please don't let me go. Have mercy, have mercy. Wash me clean, make me whole again. Lord, have mercy. Your grace keeps calling me. I'm coming back to you. Have mercy, wash me. You never turned your face away. Mercy, even when I ran from your love. Mercy, when shame told me I was too far gone. Your mercy said, come home. Your mercy said, I'm not too far. Your mercy said, I'm not too lost. Your mercy said, your arms still open wide. Your mercy said, open wide. Your mercy said, take my heart, take my sin. Jesus, make me new again. Your mercy said, make me new, make me new. Father, I kneel before you. Not because I am worthy, but because your mercy keeps calling my name. Restore me, heal me, break every chain, and let my life honor you again. I am yours, Lord. I am yours.
So many people out here are tired. Tired of fighting bills they can't pay. Tired of crying themselves to sleep. Families breaking, hearts breaking, dreams dying. But you said in your word, come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. So tonight, Jesus, we come. Don't let the light in us die. Don't let our faith fade away. Hold us, Lord. Hold us, Lord. Amen. People losing jobs, losing hope, losing strength. Trying to smile while fighting silent wars inside. There's a mother crying over children she can't feed, and a father praying for a chance to try again. I'm standing here with a wound you already see, and you said, I am close to the brokenhearted. So here I am, God, with all my broken pieces. Meet me again. 'Cause if I fall, the devil will celebrate, and shame will rise like a flood against my name. But you are the lifter of my head, so lift me now. lift me now. Jesus, don't let the light in me die. Don't let the flame you placed in me fade. When I have no strength of my own, you are the hope in my lungs, the power when I'm done. Hold me together, hold me upright. Jesus, don't let the light in me die. I've seen friends sinking deep into depression, fighting demons nobody else can see. I've seen people smile while carrying storms in their chest, pretending they're fine, but praying for a miracle. You said, when you pass through the waters, I will be with you. So walk with me now, Jesus. Walk with every broken soul here tonight. We're holding on to you, Jesus. If I stumble, let your mercy catch me first. Let your hand unrun my fall and pull me close. For you said nothing can snatch you from my hand. So hold me close, hold me close. Jesus, don't let the light in me die. Don't let the flame you placed in me fade. When I have no strength of my own, you are the hope in my lungs, the power when I'm done. Hold me together, hold me upright. Jesus, don't let the light in me die. Lord, so many hearts are tired, so many souls are hurting, so many dreams feel buried tonight. But you said, even if you fall 7 times, you will rise again. So raise us again. Raise every mother, every father, every child. Raise the one who's losing hope. Raise the one who feels forgotten. Raise the one who feels unworthy. Keep our fire alive, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. God, Jesus, don't let the light in me die. Let your fire be stronger than my fear. Let your mercy drown my shame. All we have is you. All we'll ever need is you. So Jesus,
Don't let the light in me die.
so Jesus, don't let the light in me die. Don't let the flame you placed in me fade. When I have no strength of my own, you are the hope in my lungs, the power when I'm done. Hold me together, hold me upright.
Jesus, don't let the light in me die.
You're the keeper of our souls. You're the flame inside our hearts. Jesus, don't let the light in us die. Yeah, you restored my soul. You restored my joy again. I was broken, I was empty, walking blind, but still you led me. Just like the woman at the well, you called my name, I felt you near me. Like the blind man who could finally see,
You opened my eyes and set me free, like the lost son running home again. You wrapped me in your arms of grace. You didn't leave me where you found me. You lifted me when I was falling. Oh, your love keeps calling, calling. Yeah, you restored me, gave me joy again. You renewed me, you revived me, made me whole again. My heart will praise you, my soul rejoices, 'cause in your presence I am restored again. Like Hannah when you answered her crying, like David dancing with no shame, like Daniel rescued from the fire. I've seen your mercy every day. Like Mary sitting at your feet, you taught my heart to choose your peace. Like Paul when his chains fell down, your love broke every wall around me. You didn't leave me where you found me. Your faithfulness keeps surrounding. Oh, your love keeps calling, calling. Oh, you restored me, gave me joy again. You renewed me, you revived me, made me whole again. My heart will praise you, my soul rejoices, 'cause in your presence I am restored again. I've seen your goodness,
I've seen your goodness,
I've seen your mercy.
I've seen your mercy.
You pick me up,
You pick me up,
you heal my heart.
you heal my heart.
I'm not the same.
I'm not the same.
Your love restored me.
Love restored me.
Your love restored me. Oh, is rising, joy is rising, overflowing in this place. Hope is rising, hope is rising, all because of your great name. Yeah, you restored me, gave me joy again. You renewed me, you revived me, made me whole. My heart will praise you, my soul rejoices. In your mercy I am restored again. Thank you, Jesus, for restoring everything. My joy, my peace, my faith. You're faithful, restored again, restored.
again. Restored